Hi, Cardinal parents. I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for our middle school and high school parent-teacher conferences. This year, conferences will be online only through Google Meet. To sign up for a conference, you'll visit the Cardinal School's website at cardinalcommit.com. On the home page, you'll find a link to sign up for a conference. You'll find it right here next to key links. Click that and you'll be taken to our fall conferences page. Conference times are available in 15-minute time slots on October 27th between 4 and 8 p.m. and October 29th between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. To sign up, search for one of your student's teachers or by subject in the search bar. Choose your student's teacher, and then on this page, choose an open time slot that works for your schedule. Times that are grayed out are unavailable. To reserve your time, fill out this next form by entering your student's name, your email, and your phone number. Then click Submit, and that's it. Be sure to check your email for confirmation that your spot has been reserved. We hope this is an easy and efficient way for you to connect with your child's teachers this year. Now, get scheduling.